What is up, YouTube? I got one little special thing that I've always wanted to upgrade on my car, and that is lights. I don't know why, but I am a freak about lights. I have so many light bars, handheld light bars for mechanic work. I changed the light bulbs on my car, done a lot of stuff for my lights. So I've had these LED strips for a while, since I've had my WRX, and I don't have it anymore. But I didn't want to finish and do a lot of just a lot of splicing. I didn't want to do all that. So what do you do when you don't want to do splicing or anything wires, electrical wires? You purchase a bag full of these. Now, what are these? It just looks like wires and plugs, which is perfect. Honestly, all right. So let's get my key, and get this open. Wow, that popped out super easy. So what these are their little adapter plugs. It comes with 5 of each. It also comes with a little bit of LED strips. I don't know if you can see that. So, come on. The little LED lights as well. But these, what is really helpful about these, it makes it a whole lot easier, is this. It comes with these adapters. There's a positive and a negative. All you got to do is actually find out which side on the light is positive and negative. And from what that looks like, the light is actually a lot smaller than this. But the beneficial part about this, hold on, I'm trying to put the microphone or the camera still. Beneficial part of this is it opens and closes. So it compacts. So that is very, very beneficial. And see, I don't know what side is positive and what side is negative. I can see a red cable from right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I want to say this side is positive and this side is negative. So what we're gonna do is grab our little adapter. Okay, what it comes let me just say what it comes with. It comes with about 5 pieces. All right, it also comes with these, and this one is the one that connects to the back of my trunk light. And that is actually the main reason why I purchased this, was because my trunk light is garbage. So what you do, you connect these. Sorry, there's a trash can that's coming out. Sorry, this literally pulled up in front of me. So I'm gonna connect the positive to positive and negative to negative, the black to black, red to red. And I got it backwards. Okay, so I did that. So let's see if this works. So I'm gonna put the positive to the right and the negative to the left. So I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want to get electrocuted. I'm gonna put that in there just like a regular old light. And if this works, the best $2 I've ever spent. Alright, so that's facing us. No. Oh. So I guess that didn't work. It didn't work. So let's just flip it around. Positive and positive, or black to the right and red to the left. And it works. I think it's a whole lot brighter than what was their stock. And let's see, turn it on. Let's see if it works. See, my issue, because the last time I had it as well, it didn't work with the lights getting, when the door opened, it didn't work. So let's see. It's right there in the mid. So with the lights, and it works. And let's see how long it takes to turn off. There's it turning off, and it turns off. Bam. And that's what I'm pretty much gonna do with all the lights that are in my car. I'm gonna do that to that, do it to these two, and then do it to the one in the back. So in the one in the back, I have the little strips, they're like that big. and I'm gonna use about 3 or 4 of them, and so it can be really bright when I turn on my night, because at nighttime it's really. What did I even put? These are garbage. The stock ones, garbage. Let me see if I can. No, it doesn't want to. Well, whatever. These are garbage. So if you guys want to purchase them, they do come from China. I ordered them from eBay. They were about $3 for 5 of each thing, and it got here. I ordered them in November, the 15th of November, and it got here today. It is the 7th of October. September. What? I said November. I want it to be November already, I guess. Sheesh. So I ordered them September 15th, and it got here October 7th. So it took about a month. I almost fought for my money back, because before that month, the 30 days hits, I can't even try to get my money back, and did that before, where I got snaked. I got robbed for $10, but I still got robbed. My items supposed to get here in about a month, and it didn't show up. 3 months in, didn't show up. 4 months, 5 months, nothing. It's already been over a year, nothing. So I lost my money, and I lost an item. So don't want to do that again. So I was gonna dispute it, try to get my money back, but opened my mailbox, and today they were here. So really great about that, really awesome, really happy. And so we're gonna get going, because I just got home, and I just farted, and I don't want my wife to worry. But we're gonna get those lights fixed. We're gonna show you what they look like at nighttime. Right now it's literally 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're not gonna really tell how bright they are, but they're gonna be damn near close. So we'll see at nighttime, and then I'll do the outro right now. But I'm gonna do another video as well, so I'm gonna have the same outfit on. So 2 videos one day. Hopefully you guys like it. And all right, guys, so right now it is pitch black in my car. This is the outro for me installing those little adapters. I had for the LED lights in my car, the dome lights. Really easy, really simple. I will have everything down in the description down below, and so you can purchase your own. On Amazon they have the LED lights with a little bit more LEDs on them. So mine were the cheaper version, but pretty much the same exact thing. The only thing that really is important is those adapters. And sorry for the quality. I am recording with just straight off my iPhone with no microphone, no nothing. So really sorry about the sound quality. So here we go. I am going to just open my door right now. It is all right. So the dome light in the middle is down for when the door opens, and this is literally pitch black right now, as you can see. Oof. That literally lights up my whole car. Like, this is just the front, and in the trunk space I am going to add 10 LED strips, just so I can see better. And here are with the 2 front ones, and voila, you can see my face. Literally amazing. Like, this is what it looks like outside. So I'm gonna step out real quick. Ooh, that thing is bright. Wow, so it's super bright from even the outside. So, and I have window tints, so you can see everything. So if you guys like this install video and a little easy way to upgrade your lights, it might take a while to get to your house, but it was worth the wait, because I didn't have to splice anything except a little here and there, but it's not that much. And I'm super excited to have these lights on. I still haven't installed the trunks, so I'm really excited to install those. But really simple process. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and if you want your own, in the description, product's going to be there, product link. Everything that I've used in this video is going to be down in the description if you would like to purchase those as well. Helps the channel out. Give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below about this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.